Good morning everyone. So in today's class we are going to do practice of the spellings of A sound words. Okay. So first of all you will write down the rate 11.2.2121. It is a fun activity actually. So I will speak some of the words and you have to identify which sound is this and which letter will be in the spelling. Okay, so it will be mix of both kind of spellings like AB words and AD words. So listen to me very carefully first. Okay, then start recognizing the sound and then make spelling yourself. Okay, so the first word is, okay, you will write down the spelling here. The first word is spelling of pat. Spelling of pat. So tell me, what is the spelling of pat? Very good. It's P-A-T. Pat. Very good. Write down P-A and then T. So, whenever the child will do this work, parents should ask the spelling first from the child. Let them recall the spellings. Let them identify the sound of each letter. Okay? Then they will start to tell you the spelling. So, this is very important. First, give them chance. Then they will write it themselves. Okay? So, now the second word is spelling of rap. Spelling of rap. So tell me which word or which letter will give the sound of r. Rap. R. Very good. R. R says r. Rap. So what will be the spelling of rap? R A P. Rap. R-A-P. Rap. Just make sure you will not take the sequence as I am doing here. Okay, I am telling you some of the spellings. You can take any of the spelling of your choice, but not in sequence. So it would be very helpful for me also. Next word is, okay babies, so next you will write down spelling of cat. Spelling of cat. So tell me which letter gives the sound of cat? K. Which letter gives the sound of K? Very good. C. C says K. Cat. Okay. So what will be the spelling of cat? C A and T. Cat. Okay. C-A-T. Cat. So now next is telling the spelling of sat. Telling the spelling of sat. Who says sir? At. Sir at. Sat. Now tell me the spelling of sat. Who says sir? Very good. S. S A T. Sat. Okay. Now tell me the spelling of nap. 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 Okay. What is the spelling of nap? No. Who says no? Very good. N. Okay, now I am saying nap. Nap. N-A-T. N-A-T nap or N-A-P nap? Tell me the spelling of nap. Very good. N-A-P nap. Because P says P. N-A-P, nap. Very good. Now the next word is, tell me the spelling of hat. Hat. What is the spelling of hat? Her at hat. Very good. Very nice. So H says her. H A T or P? Tell me. I am saying hat. So what I will write here? H-A-T hat or H-A-P hat? H-A-T hat. Very well done. So now in this side, one more time I will write the spellings. Now here you will write spelling of gap. Gap. Now tell me the spelling of gap. Who says G? Which letter gives the sound of G? Gap. H. No. H says her. Very good. G. G says G. So G A P. G-A-P, gap. G-A-P, gap. Okay, now next you will write the spelling of fat. Fat. So tell me, what is the spelling of fat? Which letter gives the sound of f, a, t? Fat. Now tell me. Very good. F. F. Oh, tell me, is this F? No, this is not F. First you have to cut the tummy. This is F, okay? Otherwise, if I will not cut it, this would be T, okay? Now tell me, what is the spelling of fat? F A T. Fat. Very good. Now tell me the spelling of bat. Bat. Very good. B A P. What is the spelling of bat? B A P. No, B A T, because T says T. B A T, bat. Okay. So write here T. Okay. Now tell me the next spelling. Spelling of vat. 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 Very good. Very nice. V. First letter would be V, because V says V. V A T. Vat. Very good. So now next spelling would be cap. Cap. Now tell me, what is the spelling of cap? K-A-P. Cap. Very nice. C. C-A-T. Cap. C-A-T. Cap? No. C-A-T. Cat. But what would be the spelling of cap? Very nice. C-A-P, because P says P, and I am saying the spelling of cap. So you will write C-A-P, not C-A-T. Okay? Very good. Now the right here is the spelling of lap. Lap. What is the spelling of lap? Very good. Nice. L. Who says L? Which letter gives the sound of L? L. Very nice. L A, and then T. L-A-T, lat. I am saying lat or lap? Tell me. Am I saying lap or lat? I was saying lap. So L-A-P. It's P. Okay? L-A-P, lap. So do the practice of these spellings as the way I have told you. Your mama will speak not P-A-T. Your mama will speak directly pat. Okay? Gap. Don't show them the spelling. Let them recognize. Let them identify the sound of each word. Okay? So in this way they will do practice of these spellings or words. Okay? So take care. Bye bye. And do your work and send it to me on daily basis. I am taking your attendance. So be ready. Bye bye. Take care.